Artificial intelligence, AI, and unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, or drones are two rapidly growing and evolving technologies. While they may seem like separate fields, the integration of AI and UAS can create new opportunities and solve real-world problems in a variety of industries. In this article, we will explore the benefits of integrating AI and UAS, and examine some of the ways in which they can be combined to create innovative solutions. One of the key benefits of integrating AI and UAS is that it enables drones to perform tasks that were previously impossible or prohibitively expensive. By incorporating AI algorithms, drones can analyze data and make decisions in real time, allowing them to operate more autonomously and efficiently. For example, drones equipped with AI-powered object detection systems can automatically identify and track objects in their field of view, allowing them to perform tasks such as surveillance or search and rescue operations more effectively. Another benefit of integrating AI and UAS is that it can help overcome the limitations of human pilots. While human pilots can only operate drones for a limited amount of time before becoming fatigued, drones equipped with AI algorithms can operate around the clock without the need for breaks. Additionally, AI-powered drones can perform complex tasks that would be difficult or impossible for human pilots, such as navigating through challenging terrain or performing precise maneuvers. One area where the integration of AI and UAS is already making an impact is in agriculture. By equipping drones with AI algorithms, farmers can collect data about their crops, including their health and growth rate. This data can then be used to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and other farming practices, leading to increased yields and lower costs. Additionally, AI-powered drones can be used for precision spraying of pesticides and herbicides, reducing the environmental impact of traditional spraying methods. Another area where the integration of AI and UAS has the potential to make a significant impact is in infrastructure inspection. By using drones equipped with AI algorithms to inspect bridges, power lines, and other critical infrastructure, engineers can identify potential problems before they become serious issues. This can help prevent accidents and reduce maintenance costs, ultimately improving the safety and efficiency of our infrastructure systems. Of course, with any new technology comes challenges and potential drawbacks. One concern with the integration of AI and UAS is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. If these algorithms are used to make decisions on behalf of individuals or groups, there is a risk that they could perpetuate existing biases and inequalities. Additionally, there are concerns around the use of AI-powered drones for surveillance and other privacy-related issues. In conclusion, the integration of AI and UAS has the potential to create new opportunities and solve real-world problems in a variety of industries. By combining the autonomy and efficiency of UAS with the intelligence and decision-making capabilities of AI, we can unlock new possibilities and create a better future for all. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of AI and UAS/drones in the future. Thanks for watching.